What is up, YouTube? We back with another video, man. Thank you guys for clicking on the channel. This is the realest YouTuber, man. Listen, I just got my Dodge Challenger RT Catless, so make sure y'all stay tuned if y'all want to hear this thing, man. Stay tuned and watch the whole video because I'm going to be doing downshifts. I'm going to be, hitting the gas a little bit before traffic hours start to appear. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Don't hide. We're on the road to 4K, man. Make sure y'all tune in, man. We going up, man. All 2024, we going up. So thank everybody who liking and commenting and subscribing. Without further ado, we about to get this warm start. We about to get this cold start / warm start started. It's 51 degrees. I haven't crooked up yet. So yeah, y'all tell me how it sound and what y'all hear in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching. Let's go. Yeah, we in this thing, baby. Put that in the sport, matter of fact. Just sport real quick. Let y'all hear that bit open up a little bit, boy. I ain't gonna never lie, y'all. This thing is loud on downshift, and you really hear, you really hear it scream now. I mean, oh yeah, y'all hear that thing. Oh yeah. I'm gonna tell y'all, we're gonna go on the highway real quick. Y'all already know. Police. Hear that jump, right? I'm trying to tell you, whenever you hear pops and everything, when I'm trying to tell y'all, man, this is something that y'all won't regret. But make sure y'all got down. Hey, it's almost like you can hear that shit breathing. Yeah, get out the way now before I hit you. Oh my God! Wait till I get up under the bridge, and then I do that under the bridge, y'all. It's loud. It is loud. Catch up with the police. Hold on, let me slow my ass down. So ain't no way that Challenger caught up with me and he was at the light. Yeah. That's him right there. Come on. Still got to get in alignment and all that. Let's see if we get some. Check my mirror, that 18-wheeler. Gotta get from behind him. Uh-oh, this that move right here, y'all. Listen to this thing high quick. Watch this. Ooh, listen to the sound of that thing. Let me roll the window down a little so I can hear that thing. Look at that scat. Ooh, that be hard. the side, y'all. Listen to the side. Hold on. Old school. Woo, there you go, y'all. Y'all hear that bit? Oh, under the bridge. Let's have that bitch out on the bridge. That bit deep. God damn, that bit deep. There's so much traffic on the other way back. Dang, bro. I'm doing it for y'all though. Oh my God. Y'all hear how that thing quaking? Let's hear it again. Hold on. You gotta get out the way first. I'm trying to hit it a little bit. Woo! That bit quaking. Tell me that don't sound like no long two headers or something. What y'all think? Good. My fault because of wind. I know y'all want to hear it. I know y'all want to hear that bit. Oh yeah. Tell this man right here to get the hell out my way. He just been going too slow. He think he going fast at the uh-oh, look, I got the little Nissan behind me trying to catch up now. That Nissan better back up. I'm gonna show you that Nissan some speed. Y'all want me to do it to him? I want to do it to him. Let me show that bitch something. Look at that, look, yeah. Oh. He trying to go, bro. You sometimes can't mess with them cars now. They'll get you in trouble. Like, you gotta be messing around with another scat or something, man. Don't mess with no regular cars like that, man. It ain't worth it. But sometimes you can just do little pulls just to show them, like, this ain't what you want. You know what I mean? The bridge, listen. Police on the other side. Let it scream real quick. Can I let you? Oh my God. Oh my gosh, bro. I love it. I love it. I swear it feel like it be pushing faster. I swear it feel like it be pushing faster now. I'm not kidding. My brother even said that. My little brother and my older brother. I'm gonna do a U-turn, man. It's gonna be a quick POV for y'all though. I know y'all been waiting for it. I got echo with some more I don't need to go the other way. Hold on. Oh yeah. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. Oh. That bit sounded good rolling through that bit, y'all. Just listen, boy. Gee, and it popped a little bit. Oh, that car trying to show me that it is fast. That on that vertical, but this damn light. It Everybody love going fast when you go fast. Oh my gosh, who is that in that V8? Who is that in that V8 lane switching like that? Hey, I know certain people that see me drive like this in a car like that, they be like, oh, dork, or they be like, scumbag. Baby, this thing sound, listen to that. Oh, there go another Challenger up there. Let's see if we can catch it. Like an old school. Let's see if we can catch it. Hold on. Oh, Camaro trying to catch him too. Watch out, Camaro. Oh yeah, watch out, Camaro. Yeah, I'm on you. Yeah. You got us up, oh yeah. That Challenger right there. Tell that Camaro to back their ass up now. That's a female. She ain't gonna do nothing. She ain't gonna do nothing with me. She's scared of that thing. She's scared of that thing. Crack the window down so you can woo. Yeah, she's scared of that thing, y'all. Oh, here go the traffic. Here go the traffic. Watch it. Woo. Oh my God, I love it. I love it. I love it. I'm sorry if y'all don't like that, but I love it. Listen how that thing, listen. Come on now. Come on now. Like, comment, and subscribe. Don't hide, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. I might have to get over. This truck fucking me up. Look. Breaking this shit. I'm about to get the fuck over. Come on. I like to hear the sound of this thing, so it ain't bothering too much. I'm letting y'all hear that big quake up. Y'all let me know in the comments how y'all think this thing sound now. Huh? Look, people weaving out of chair. Look, he gets scared. The little gurgles and pops. Y'all gotta hear that thing in person. Y'all gotta do it to y'all car so y'all can really hear that thing though. No kizzy. See what's going on around there. Come on. Little slow shifts. think about themselves now.